Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about concept of queues, part of data structures using C++ course. A queue is a data structure that stores elements in a linear fashion, similar to a line or a waiting list. Queues follow the first in, first out, that is FIFO principle, meaning that the first element added to the queue will be the first one to be removed. Queues are useful in a variety of applications where elements needed to be processed in a specific order, such as in scheduling algorithms, network packet processing, and printer job management. In a queue, there are two main operations that can be performed: enqueue and dequeue. Enqueue adds an element to the back of the queue, while dequeue removes the element from the front of the queue. The front and back of the queue are also commonly referred to as head and tail respectively. And here is a simple example of a queue in action. Imagine you are in line at a grocery store and there are only two cashiers available. The first customer in line will be served by the first cashier, and the next customer in line will be served by the second cashier. The customers will keep joining the line, and the first customer in line will be the next to be served. This is a classic example of queue in action, where customers are enqueued at the back of the line and dequeued from the front of the line. And here is a basic example of how a queue can be implemented in C++ using an array. This code defines a class queue with three methods: enqueue, dequeue, and display method. The enqueue method adds an element to the rear of the queue, while the dequeue method removes and returns the element from the front of the queue. The display method displays the elements in the queue. And in the main function, an object of the queue class is created, and the enqueue method is called 3 times to add elements to the queue. The display method is then called to display the contents of the queue, followed by a call to the dequeue method, which removes and returns the first element in the queue. The display method is then called again to show the contents of the queue after the first element has been removed. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.